Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Microsoft Visual C++ runtime error on Ubisoft Connect. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what I suggest you to do here is to open up search, and then you just need to write run, right? Write run, and then under run section you just need to write % local app data %, right? Press OK. Then look for Ubisoft game launcher, click on it, and then delete all the files here, right? And after that, what you need to do here is to close Ubisoft Connect from your system tray as well, and then look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, go to settings, go to Windows Update, and then you need to check for updates. If there is an update that you need to download and install it, please do so. And after that, restart your computer and look if the problem persists or not. Same thing with your GPU drivers. Go to Device Manager. On Device Manager, you need to expand Display Adapters, look for your GPU, right click on it, update driver, and search automatically for drivers and install if there is an update. If Ubisoft Connect do not work, what I suggest you to do here is to open up a browser. Then you need to write here Microsoft Visual C++ and probably click on the first link here. Then you need to scroll down until you see this thing here, and then you just need to, if you're running 32-bit computer, use this. If you're running 64, download x86, save it to your computer, whatever you like. And then what you need to do here is to simply install it, and if Microsoft C++ is already installed on your computer, press repair, and then as you can see here, it will install latest Microsoft Visual C++ to your computer that is available right now for you. And after that, simply you just need to restart your computer and the problem should be fixed, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button, subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.